Let's draw breakup kit for little girl. Draw beautiful eye shade kit with mirror. Draw cute lipstick. Draw nail paint. Draw one more lipstick. Draw mascara. Draw a brush. It's complete. Let's color it. Different eye shade color. The green color. Parrot color. Orange color. Blue color. Red color. Violet color. Yellow color. Draw sea green color. Draw sky blue color. It mirrors. Draw violet color in brush. Add brown color. Draw yellow and sky blue color in red lipstick. Draw sea green color in nail paint. Orange color in cap. Draw pink and red color. Draw blue color. Draw orange color. Wow, it is complete. If you like my video, then must subscribe and share it.